Hey there, guess what? We're gonna be reacting to Small Dog and a Groundhogger.
Hi, I'm Lewis. Thank you for agreeing to talk to me. I really appreciate it. My professor said I could pick any internet-related case, so I thought maybe your story might help.
You're recording this, right?
Yeah, it's just for a college paper.
All right. I don't know how much I can help.
You mentioned an image. That's what I'm here to understand. How you found it.
It wasn't me who found it. A friend of mine, from an old forum, back in '92. People used to share weird stuff. Myth, urban legends, shock files, you know?
Yeah, I've read about that.
One night, he sent me a file, smile.jpg. He said I had to see it. Said it would change my life.
What did you see?
No, I don't say it. I don't describe it. I won't.
Excuse me?
The first second didn't feel like anything. Just a dog. A husky, I think. And then... No more.
You can stop if you want. I don't mean to.
After you see it, you dream about it. At first, it's just there. You know those dreams where something's watching you, but it doesn't move? But then, every night, it gets closer.
Closer?
You can hear it speaking. Or, no, not speaking. Knowing you. And then it tells you what it wants. To spread the word.
Spread the word.
Am I
showing the
thinking
image
about
to other
Small
people?
Dog?
That's how it stays alive. How it survives. I didn't show anyone. I tried to fight it. I swear I did. Every night it whispered. Louder. Angry. It needs to be seen. It needs new minds.
Did your friend show it to more people?
He killed himself. If you resist long enough, that's what it wants.
What?
It wants you to break. And I'm still here because I won't. I won't do it. I won't give it what it wants. Do you ever dream of something that smiles at you?
No. Why?
You don't understand. If you stay too long, it knows. If you think about it long enough, it finds you.
Mary, I think you're tired. We can stop. You don't.
I shouldn't have talked to you. I shouldn't have let you in. It's watching now. It likes when someone asks. It knows you're curious. It knows your face. It knows your name.
Mary, calm down.
Get out! Just go! Before it comes for you too! I won't let it use me again! I won't!
What did I say? Did I do that?
Hello? Is this... Are you the young man who came to speak with Mary? Yes. Who is this? My name is Terrence. Mary was my wife. Was she? She took her life. It happened a few days ago. I didn't know whether to call you. I didn't even know if I should. But I found something. Something she left behind for you. The email?
Do I?
Yes. Forget everything. I'll try. Not try. Do it. Terrence, I couldn't save her. Just save yourself.
Chef. Is this creepy or something? Huh? Talking? Nice. Huh? Doggo. Oh, doggy.
Smile. God loves you.
Holy smokes. Right, don't worry. I'm done.